Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2019 Ford F250 XL work truck. Really nice. It's got a flatbed in the back. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around. Then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's in really nice shape. It's got about 50,000 miles on the clock. It's got a clean title, beautiful condition, ready to go to work. Very nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Front bumper's in great shape, has a couple scratches here and there. It is a work truck. It's in really nice shape regardless. Front lights are in beautiful condition. Brand new. Grill's in beautiful shape. Very nice. Grill has a small scratch right here. You don't even see it. Taking a look at the other headlamp, also in beautiful shape. Also a little mark here on that headlamp. Very nice condition. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. Very nice. It's got some touch up here on the edge. Besides that, looks good. All right, we're taking a look at the front fender on the passenger side. Fender's in beautiful shape. Super clean throughout. Really nice condition. It's got some touch up here on the door. Door's in really nice shape. Mirrors are in beautiful condition. Very nice shape overall. This area here has a little bit of damage on it. Saw a little crease here on the paint. A long dent and a long dent here. Besides that, looks good. Also has another little dent right there. Nothing major. Looks nice overall. Very nice condition. Okay, on the bed here, this bed side on the passenger side looks good. Really nice shape. It's got a little dent right here. Besides that, looks good. Beautiful condition. Okay, let's walk around the back here. Rear door, the little tailgate back here looks good. Very nice shape. It's got a hitch in the back here with a step on it. Lights back here, looks good. Very nice. All right, taking a look here on the driver's side. Bed side looks good. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Driver door looks perfect. Nothing to show there. Very nice condition all the way through. Mirrors are in beautiful shape. Really nice. Front fender, beautiful condition throughout, super clean. Windshield's in beautiful condition, looks super clean. No chips, no cracks on it, very nice condition. Let's take a quick look at the roof. Roof's in nice shape, no damage up here. Super clean. Very nice. Really in great shape. Let's take a look inside the... Perfect. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape throughout. We're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Really nice condition. Armrest is in beautiful shape here. Take a look at the seat. Seats in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Really nice work truck. Rubber floors are in beautiful shape. Super clean. Dashboard steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Very nice. It has an armrest there that folds down if you need it for storage or whatever. But it does seat 3 passengers. Take a look at the liner. Amazing condition. Super clean. Very nice. We're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, super clean throughout, very nice shape. Really amazing condition. Take a look at the passenger seat, very nice condition. Look at that, beautiful shape. Great condition throughout. Liner on this side, amazing condition. Super clean, very nice. Okay, we're sitting inside this F250. Gonna go and start it up. Vehicle does have 2 keys. but this vehicle does not have power locks. So the keys look nice, but they do not have power. So let's go ahead and start it up. Starts up perfect. Very nice. Okay, let's take a close look here. This one has 51,735 miles. It's got a really nice information center there. You can switch outside temperature, average miles, miles still empty. It's got a clock there. Trip computer 1. Beautiful. Okay, so this is the controller we use to shift through there. Really nice condition. Controls for the lights. Very nice for the wipers. Tow haul button there. AM, FM, auxiliary, radio. Very nice. Down below is the auxiliary plug. It's got a power plug there. 2 more here. Really nicely equipped there for a work truck. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Super, super clean. Very nice shape. Steering wheel's in really nice condition. Look at this. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Liners in beautiful shape. Very nice. Look at the courtesy light here in the center. Visors are in great condition. Beautiful shape. It's got it's got the books in there. It's got another little thing for storage on top. Fantastic. Okay, that's pretty much it on the interior. This one seats 3 passengers. It's got an armrest here with storage, cup holders here, and then you can fold this up and this gives you your 3rd passenger. Very nice. That's pretty much about it. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take it for a little test drive. All right, we're all set to take this F250 for a little test drive. It's already in gear. All set. Okay, transmission shifting perfect, feels good. Brakes feel good. Stops nice. Well, that's going to complete our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires and take a look at the engine compartment. Very nice. We're taking a look under the hood of this F250. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Really nice shape. It's got an 8-cylinder. Beautiful condition. Super, super clean, man. Looks brand new. Very nice. Okay, just to show you here, all 3 sides fold down for easy loading. Really nice. Let's go ahead and fold this one up here. It's got a little locking mechanism there. It's in there. Perfect. Walk around the back here. This one is also the same way. Folds right up. And this last one just latches in normal. There you go. Perfect. So for easy access, you can fold down any one of the sides or all 3 of them. Really nice. Really quick here, let's go ahead and look at the tires and the undercarriage. Front tire on the driver's side looks amazing. It looks brand new. Look at the tread on there. Rim is clean and beautiful shape. Take a look at the chassis here. Super clean. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. This is a work truck, so let's go ahead and take a look at it from the bottom here. Looks really nice. Chassis is in beautiful condition. Beautiful shape throughout. Look at that. All right, let's take a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tire's in amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice. Walk around the back here. It's got a trailer hitch there. Really nice. The lights in the back. Chassis is in beautiful shape here. Take a quick look here at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side looks amazing, looks brand new. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Really outrageous shape, look at that. Super, super clean. Very nice looking truck. Beautiful condition throughout. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the passenger side, tire's in really nice shape. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice condition. Look at that. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2019 Ford F250 with an 8-cylinder. Beautiful condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046.